Again, certified bird 4233. We are full. Good luck, good luck. Dice roll. We're going 10 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 10 here, 10 here. Packers up top. Broncos at the bottom. 10 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 10 here, 10 here. Tyler up top. Tanner at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. There's your squads. The certified bird 4233. Good luck. Here we go. Getting certified bird. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. First up, Immortals of Tim Brown. Vinny Testaverde to 199 on the autograph for the Jets. 19 out of 199 going to John Plua. Got Diggs, Sam Howell. Kid Reporter. Aaron Donald, Franchise Foundations. Alec Pierce to 99 for the Colts. Kyler Murray. Certified Stars of Mark Andrews. Bryce Young to 299 for Carolina. New generation jersey. Carolina Panthers and Ryan Bowersock. There you go, Ryan. Nice Bryce Young to 299. Got Evan Ingram, Judy, and Matt Judon. Got Tyreek Hill on the gold team. Puka to 275 for the Rams. Pretty good box here. Puka Nacua to 275. Who's got those Rams? Andrew Puka to 275. Herbie Pierce McLaurin. Got calling cards. Dak. Clayton Tune, new generation jersey. $2.99 for the Cardinals. Getting Clayton Tune for the Cardinals. Brandon Edery. On the board, Demario Davis, Godwin Parsons. Kid Reporter. We got certified stars of Mike Evans. Treylon Burks to 50. Pacheco Reddick. And Titans, 43 out of 50 on the Treylon Burks, going to Justin Decker. There you go, Justin, you're on the board. Treylon to 50. Certified Stars, Micah Parsons. It's our base pack, Warner Chase, Pierce Mixon. Got Nyheim Hines on the gold team. We got Redemption. Cooper Williams, Sanders. Good luck here on the Redemption. Good luck. Freshman Fabric Mirror Signatures Blue. Card number 26. Quentin Johnston for the Chargers. And Jason Parks. Congratulations, Jason. Nice Quentin Johnston on the RPA for the Chargers. 2 packs left. Good luck. Amon-Ra St. Brown calling cards. Kendre Miller to 325 for the Saints. Garrett and Kelsey. Last pack. Good luck. Kid Reporter Charles Woodson to 249 for the Raiders. Raiders going to Michael Merrick. And Jerick McKinnon to 149 for the Chiefs. Going to Tyler Althouse. We got Lockett, Shaq, and Sauce. Again, quick recap on the bird. Jerick McKinnon, Woodson, Miller, Quentin Johnston on the RPA. Filler paid off for Jason Burks. Toon, Puka, Bryce Young, Alec Pierce, and Vinny Testaverde to 199. And that is the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.